So in this part of the tutorial, we'll start by adding content to our website. To start adding content to your website, you click on the article manager, click on new, so this is the first article I'll be adding is the article that will be displayed on the home page. So for the title, I'll call it home. Category, I'll leave it as uncategorized. Status to publish, access to public. Then I'll go to the main page area where I will add my text. You can drag up and down to either stretch it or reduce the layout. So to copy the article for the home page, I'll go to my exercise folder, click on website content to open the article. So this is the site structure. I'm going to have an article for home, one for about us, one for services, and then article for the different services under services, one for video, training, contact us, direction, and then I'm going to have a recruitment form on the website. So let's start by adding the article for the home page. I'll scroll down to where I have the article for the home page, highlight and copy, Ctrl C, go back to my web browser and paste. So this is the article for the home page. I'm going to be removing the title, home. Okay, so I have this article. Now this is similar to your normal text editor, so you can do some basic formatting. You can justify, align, create space and stuff like that. So the next thing I want to do is to add an image for my home page. So I'll click just in front of you, click on image, I'll click on browse, scroll down. Okay, so I'll click on this image here, open, and then start upload. Okay, so click on the image you want to use and then click on insert. So I have that image inserted there. Now I can do some basic formatting with my image now that I have it on my page. For instance, if I click on the image, you will see different nodes that you can use to either stretch or reduce the size of the image. So just carefully hold and drag just to reduce the size of the image a little bit. Then you can set the alignment for the image. For this image, I'll be setting the alignment to the left. Let me just reduce it a little bit, and then I'll use the left alignment for the image. Can you see the way it aligns with my article? Now I want to increase the space between the image and the article, both to the left and then for the lower part as well. So I'll click on the image, I'll click on this image icon here, insert stroke edit image, and then from here you can set the dimensions for the image that you are using. You can also choose the alignment. You can choose if you want a border for the image. Let me give it a border, and then I'll just set my vertical space and horizontal space to 1010. Click on updates. Okay, so you can see what your image looks like now. I think I'm okay with the way it is. The next thing I want to do is I want to justify the contents of the website. So I will highlight from here down and then click on justify. Do the same thing for the second paragraph, justify. Okay, so I can scroll down and check if every other thing is in order. I can make our vision bold. I will highlight it, click on bold, mission bold, highlight it, click on bold. Core values, you can make it bold too, highlight it, click on bold. Quality, you can also make it bold, highlight the quality and then click on bold. Customer satisfaction, highlight it, click on bold. Exceeding expectations, highlight it, or you can use Ctrl B from your desktop to make it bold. So after doing that, you can scroll up and then click on save. Okay, so that saved the contents for me. I can do some more things. I want to add an external link to what I have here, so I can scroll down and say click here for more information about us. So I want to make the here a link to another website. So to do that, highlight here, scroll up, and then click on the link icon. So for the link URL, HTTP, the website you want to go, in this case the website of our company, ng.com. Targets, you can see open link either in the same window, but I'll prefer it to open in a new window. Title, I can call it more information about us, or I can call it, let me call it Beyond Limits Computers. Click on insert, and then I can save and close. Okay, so if you need to delete an article, all you need to do is just to check on this checkbox and then use the trash option at the right to delete the article. So let me go ahead and add the remaining articles for the website. I'll be clicking on new again to add the About Us article for the website. Title will be About Us. Same settings. I'll go back to my notepad and copy the article for About Us. Let's see, come here and paste. I can justify. I'll be adding an image to here. Break this into 2 paragraphs. Click here to add an image. Image, browse, go to your exercise folder, About Us, open, start upload, click on the image, insert. So you can click on it. This time around I'll align it to the right. I'll reduce the size of the image as well. And then I can justify my text. So save and new to add another article. So I'll just go ahead and add the article for the remaining pages, and then we'll pick up from there in the next chapter. Okay, so I've added all the articles I'll be using for my website. I would like to show you some other features. If I click on the home article, for instance, the editor we have presently active is the TinyMCE editor. So we can go ahead and add some more functionalities to the menu options that we have for the TinyMCE editor. So let me show you how you can achieve that. Click on close. Go to extensions, plugin manager. Look for editor TinyMCE and click on it. Change the functionality to extended, and then click on save and close. So if I go back to my article manager, and click on the home article, so you can see that I have some. So you can now see that I have the functionalities of the TinyMCE editor extended. I can change the color of certain texts, maybe global technologies. Now I can change the color of the text to any color I like, and then do some other changes. So if you want to extend the functionalities of your TinyMCE editor, you just go back to your extensions plugin manager and you do it from there. So I'll click on save and close. But if we check the front page of our website, we will see that nothing is still displayed in spite of the fact that we've added all the articles at the back end. So I will show you how to make your articles show on your website in the next chapter.